Welcome back to the Spiritual Clinic. Today we're exploring the life and teachings of one of the most influential early church fathers, Ignatius of Antioch. Join us as we delve into his key writings, main discussions, and the profound impact of his ministry. Ignatius of Antioch, also known as Ignatius Theophorus, was a prominent bishop and an early Christian martyr. Born around AD 35, he led the church in Antioch and wrote several important letters that offered deep insights into early Christian theology and ecclesiology. Little is known about Ignatius's early life, but he is believed to have been a disciple of the Apostle John. His deep faith and leadership qualities led him to become the Bishop of Antioch, one of the most significant Christian centers of the time. Ignatius's legacy is closely tied to his journey to Rome, where he faced martyrdom around AD 107. Arrested during the reign of Emperor Trajan, Ignatius was transported to Rome for execution. Along the way, he wrote 7 profound letters to various Christian communities and individuals. Ignatius's letters are rich with theological insights and pastoral concerns. Let's explore some of the main themes. Unity and the role of the bishop. Ignatius strongly emphasized the importance of church unity and the central role of the bishop in maintaining this unity. He urged Christians to be united with their bishops, presbyters, and deacons, seeing the bishop as a representative of Christ, Eucharist, and sacramental life. Ignatius viewed the Eucharist as the medicine of immortality, essential for spiritual life. He believed that the sacraments were vital for maintaining a connection with Christ and the Church. Martyrdom and witness. Embracing his impending martyrdom, Ignatius saw it as a means to imitate Christ fully. He encouraged Christians to view martyrdom as a witness to their faith and a way to achieve union with Christ, Christology, and heresies. Ignatius combated early heresies, particularly Docetism, which denied Christ's humanity. He affirmed the true humanity and divinity of Jesus, emphasizing that Christ's suffering and resurrection were real. The 7 letters Ignatius wrote are to the Ephesians, to the Magnesians, to the Trallians, to the Romans, to the Philadelphians, to the Smyrnians, to Polycarp, Bishop of Smyrna. These letters provide a window into the organizational structure, theological debates, and spiritual life of early Christian communities. Ignatius's emphasis on ecclesiastical order and sacramental life profoundly influenced the development of Christian liturgy and theology. Ignatius's journey ended in Rome, where he was martyred by being thrown to wild beasts in the Colosseum. His courageous witness and profound writings left an indelible mark on Christianity. His feast day is celebrated on October 17th in the Western Church and December 20th in the Eastern Church. Ignatius of Antioch's legacy lives on through his powerful letters and the example of his unwavering faith. His teachings on church unity, the sacraments, and the nature of Christ continue to inspire and guide Christians today. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and ministry of Ignatius of Antioch. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Spiritual Clinic for more content on early church fathers and spiritual teachings. Until next time, stay blessed.